Okay, today guys I'm going to show you how to make iced coffee. It's really easy, it's easier than what people think. Okay, what you'll need is coffee, sugar, coffee and sugar, milk of course. Sorry if you guys can't hear me, so today we're making iced coffee. You need any type of coffee that you like. This is coffee granules. Got brown sugar and any milk that you like. This is Devondale. And ice. Got ice cubes. So what you want to do, put as much coffee as you like, how strong you like it. I like my coffee strong, so I'll just do a teaspoon. Goes in there. And sugar. 2.5 I'm putting in here. And then you just get a bit of hot water, kettle hot water, put that in there, and a little bit, say about that much. And stir it around until it dissolves, like that. It's pretty yuck at the moment, but anyway. Now, put the milk in, just fill it right up. So it's not like that. Probably needs a bit more. Like that. And stir that around. If it's still hot, which it isn't, just put more milk. And some ice. This big cup, I only put 2 in. Alright, and there you have it guys. That's the iced coffee. Enjoy. It's really good. Bye.